24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. As we know, there are 4 basic skills for learning any language. These are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. This informative video focuses on these skills so that children get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Listening and speaking activities. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask the children to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce him or her to the whole class. Now show a bag and ask the children if they know what it is. What is its color? Do they know its name? Some of the children may answer correctly. Encourage them. Then tell the whole class that it is a bag. It is blue or any color, and its name is bag. Ask the children if they can tell about the use of a bag. You may get mixed responses. Tell them that we put things in bag. Now show to the class a picture of a book and frame the questions like you have asked about the bag. During this, if the children give you a wrong answer, just correct them and treat them kindly. Recognition of letter B and related vocabulary activity. Tell the children that today they will recognize letter B. Learn its related vocabulary and trace the small letter B with correct formation. Start the lesson by singing the following song with the children.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master, 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Write letter B on the writing board. Tell the children that this is small letter B and it says B. Say the sound of the letter B. Introduce the vocabulary with the help of the book. Show pictures and say words with their initial sound.
B, B, ball. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. B, B, ball.
Repeat at least 3 times. Ask the children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Formation of letter B activity. First of all, get attention of the children. Demonstrate how to hold the pencil and sit while writing. How to hold a pencil. Step 1. Use your thumb and index finger to pick up the pencil. Step 2. Place the index finger on top of the pencil. Step 3. Rest the pencil on the middle finger. Step 4. Rest the pad of your hand on the page. Then ask them to follow the same process. Provide guidance whenever it is required. Encourage them to sit up straight and not bend their backs. Correct sitting posture for handwriting. Sitting with their feet flat on the floor. Sitting with their ankles, knees and hips all at 90 degrees. Forearms resting on desk with elbows level with the desktop at 90 degrees. Neck and shoulders relaxed. Draw 4 lines on the writing board. Write the letter B on the first 3 lines and give instructions. Start from the top line and move all the way down to the third line. Now move back up on second line and make a curved line on the right side, touching the bottom line inwards. Ask them to open their textbook and trace the letter B with the help of dots and arrows. Encourage them to trace the letter B in the air or on their desks or on their hands with the help of index finger. Write some jumbled letters on the writing board and ask the children to recognize B. Reinforcement worksheet of the letter B can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.